The trial against Lindsay Clancy, the Massachusetts mother accused of killing her 3 children, entered a 16th day today with more testimony from a forensic psychologist. Bradley Blackburn reports tonight from New York.
She had bipolar disorder with postpartum psychoses.
Forensic psychologist Dr. Paul Zeisel, who evaluated Lindsay Clancy about 60 times after the children's deaths, returned to the witness stand Wednesday, testifying about her postpartum psychosis defense.
She was unable to conform her behaviors to the rule of law, and she had no appreciation for the wrongfulness of her act.
Zeisel says Clancy told him she heard a male voice instructing her to kill herself and her 3 children back in 2023, and that she Google searched if her medications were to blame.
She wasn't just having everyday thoughts that we all have. Intrusive thoughts are unrelenting. They don't stop.
The defense has called on multiple mental health professionals to make the case that Clancy is not criminally responsible for the deaths due to her state of mind.
This really rebuts the prosecution's theory that in the months and weeks leading up to the murders, or to the killings, that she was doing a little bit better. That was their whole strategy.
Prosecutors maintain Clancy's actions were calculated and intentional, saying she never reported any hallucinations prior to the tragedy.
Where in the records from September to January 23rd or 2022 did she tell any of the providers she saw that she heard a voice telling her to kill herself?
It's not in the records.
On Wednesday, the defense also called Emily Thorndike, a clinical social worker and content creator who once worked at a psychiatric facility where Clancy was briefly admitted before the killings.
There was mention that there's individual therapy on the unit. There is not.
Thorndike, who addressed the court with no jury present, did not work at the facility during Clancy's stay. The judge ultimately decided against allowing her testimony. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News.